how to install Google Gemini as app in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So you cannot simply install Gemini AI from your Microsoft Store, but there's a workaround. So let's dive right in. You'll need to open up your Google Chrome first, then search for Gemini, open it up, and once the homepage of Gemini AI opens up, tap on the three dots on the top right corner and then tap on Cast, Save, and Share. There, tap on Install Page as App and just hit install. And that's it. Now, Google Gemini AI will be installed as an app on your Windows 11. There you can see it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.